How's it going, guys? This is Skulk Knight, and today I'm playing Darksiders 2. So I'm new, and I wanna talk a little bit about me, just a little bit. I'm gamer from Lithuania. I have the accent because I don't know English very well. So sorry for not knowing some words or something. Just let's play the game and see what happens. Okay. Horsey. I understand. Spend skill points with skill tree area of the inventory to develop that skill set. Let's watch intro. Corsonion of Angel and Demon. Hell yeah. I'm gonna be that. Well, I noticed that. That's good, I think. Yeah, resurrect it. You better resurrect it. What is that bird doing? Is that my friend or something? And my horsey looks so cool. Wow. Will I be able to control it? Yes! I can control it. Hell yeah. Look at this. Cool horse. Oh, bench. Revive! Hmm. Okay. I'll share the spell sharing stamina. I already noticed that you can go really fast. Whoop! What happened? Run directly towards the wall and jump space to climb the wall. Oh, there it is. What is that? Enemies? Oh no. Alt. Oh, dodge. It's ice skeletons. That means that means they are my brothers, but I don't know where they're killing me. What the hell? Die, 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 die. I'm missing the enemies. My weapons are really cool. X. Well, one hit. What is defense? Pick up. Pick up. Hell yeah. Press O now to equip it. Equip. Well, that's a bit. The little axe. Yeah. I'm so smart. That's a big little axe. Wow. Too smart for you. I want that door. That's cool. Find the keeper of secrets. What are you blocking? What are you blocking? A secret. Well, how did I do that? Health potion, of course. $24. Cool. Press. I don't know, something to use health potion. Move towards the ball and along the ball. Okay, like this. I thought I will miss. Silly me. Oh, that's how. Boom! Shazam! Ba-bam! And he's dead. What is that, old man? Is that Keeper of Secrets? Oop, boop, boop, boop. Wow! I don't know why, but that scared me. Gonna broke it. Gonna go. Oh yeah, you think you're gonna kill me? No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not. And no, you're not. Hulk smash. Destroying. Damn. Destroying. Damn. Hulk smash. Boom. What's that? Hammer. I will take it. What is that? Oop, 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 oop. Oop, 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 oop. Oop. I'm really cool. I'm like Indiana Jones or something. Oh. Don't think you can kill me. Because you will not kill me. I think. Defense. What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh! Oh, hell yeah! Hell yeah! Take it and take it. Boom! This axe rocks. Boom! There, do it again. Sick laughter. That explains everything. Oh! I smashed him off the cliff. Well, fuck you. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, health potion. But look at my ass, some weapons. Just wow, and just wow. And my cool mask. I am a danger dude. Going up, going up. Boom. Yeah. What's this? What the hell is that? First boss battle? I guess. Oh, he's giant. I will cut off his legs. Well. Die! Is that me? Will I be able to turn into that? Oh, more health potions. Impossible? Do I have too much potions? Well, that's kinda sucky. And what's now? Oh. Run along the wall. Oh yeah. Oop. Boop. Well, this looks safe. Totally not gonna smash. Totally. Told you that. Told you. Up. Along the ball. Jump down. Ugh. And what now? What now? What the fuck am I supposed to do? Okay, I came here. Let's try jumping on everywhere. Okay, I'm stuck. Press space. Oh, that's a cool one. Up. Okay, going out of here. Going out of here. Just please don't kill me. Wow! No, not gonna leave it. Up, up, up. Stupid as hell. Oh, there. Well, I am stupid. Hulk smash! Hulk smash! Hulk smash! Hulk's smash! Just smashing everybody. Smashing everybody like a boss. Oh. Boom. Yep. E. E. That controls wooden beams and the environment jump space towards the beam to grab on. Oh hell yeah! Running along, running along, running along. Jump edge. Jump edge. Jump edge. Jump edge. And jump edge and jump edge. And where am I? Am I not naked in the cold? Madness. I need to eat more because I am really thin. What is this? You will not pass! Oh, I will. No. Maybe, I don't know. What were those birds? What is that? Is that war? War! It's really war, it's my brother war. That's strange. I thought he's supposed to be present in the council or something. Oh hell no! Hell no! Well. Oh my god. I think he's gonna just kill me easily. Oh, what the fuck? Press it! Did he won? Oh my god. Am I so sucky? I have not much health. Use health potion by pressing something. By press 1. Oh, now my health is full. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's smashing me. Oh my god. Can he just die? Die! Oh my god. Bam! I knew he will do that. Oh my god. 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 Well. Fuck this fucking. Oh my god. He has so not much health. Kill him. Brothers battle. Bam bam. Die. Die already. Did he kill me? Oh no, I killed him. Oh, this was that keeper of secrets or something. Did I get XP? Will I level up in this game? That sounds pretty cool. So I will finish it here. Leave a like, subscribe, and of course I will make other video soon, really soon. And that's it, I think so. Bye.